Good morning, boys and girls. Buenos días, estudiantes. Today we will be writing a paragraph and drawing pictures about our paragraph. Hoy vamos a escribir un párrafo y hacer unos dibujos. We're going to start with our focusing question, our Piggy question. It says, how has life at home and at school changed in America? En América, ¿cómo ha cambiado la vida en la casa y en la escuela? This will be the question that we answer today. Now we're going to be talking about school key details, detalles de la escuela. Long ago, students walked to school. Now they take buses. Antes caminaban para llegar a la escuela. Ahora toman el autobús a la escuela. Long ago, there was only one classroom. Now we have lots of rooms. Antes nada más tenían un cuarto. Ahora escuelas tienen muchos cuartos. Long ago, students were different ages in one classroom. Now, all the students are the same age in their own classroom. Antes, en tu clase eran de diferentes edades. Ahora son de la misma edad. Long ago, students shared desks. Now, students have one desk. Antes, compartían el mismo escritorio. Ahora tienen sus propios escritorios. Long ago, students wrote on slates and used chalk. Now, students use paper and pencils. Antes escriben en pizarras, ahora escriben con un lápiz. Now, we're going to be talking about our topic sandwich, un sándwich de tema. The top of our topic sandwich is our topic statement. This tells the reader what you are writing about. El tema. ¿De qué se trata tu historia? The next part of our topic sandwich are the juicy details. The details give information about your topic. So we will be giving information about school. Los detalles, información sobre el tema. And the last part of our topic sandwich is the conclusion. This is our ending. En conclusión, el final. Now, these are the worksheets we're going to be working on today. The packet you're going to be looking for is the Focusing Questions packet. El paquete que dice Focusing Question. Esas son las páginas para hoy. And this is the first page we're going to be working on. As you can see, I've already written in our topic statement. Our topic statement says, school in America has changed over time. What we're going to do now is sound out our next sentence. Our sentence is going to say, long ago, people used chalk. So now we're going to sound it out. Our first word is long. 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 And remember, after we write one word, we need to have our finger space. Next word, ago. Ug, oh, ago. And we can't forget our finger space. Next word is people. P, e, p, o, people. Finger space. Next word is used. 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 Last word, chalk. Chalk. And to end our sentence, we cannot forget a period. And we're going to draw a picture that matches our sentence. Long ago, people used chalk. So Ms. Rodriguez drew a student using chalk writing on a slate. Now for the next page, we're going to finish adding our details. Our next sentence is going to be, now people use pencils. And remember, we're going to be sounding out the words and spelling them the way we think they sound. First word is now. 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 finger space, people. P, O, people. Finger space, use, use. Next word, pencils. Pencils. And what are we forgetting at the end? Yes, our period. I'm going to read the sentence back to you. Now people use pencils. And Miss Rodriguez drew a student in our classroom using a pencil because our classroom does look different than the classrooms from long ago. And at the very bottom, you're going to trace the conclusion. The conclusion says, that is how school in America has changed. So we had our topic statement, we added 2 details, and our conclusion is added at the bottom. Have a great weekend, and please remember, send me a picture of your completed work. Por favor, mándame una foto del trabajo completo. See you all later. Bye.